Nasa linya naman natin ngayon si Nery Colmenares para sa kanyang reaksyon sa mga pumasok lang na mga balita. Hi, sir. Good morning.
Hi. Hi, Stanley. Good morning.
Okay, I would like to get your reaction. Anong tingin nyo sa nangyari kaninang umaga pagdating ng Pangulong Rodrigo Duterte? Although wala pa tayong kumpirmasyon kung inaresto nga ba ito, pero alam natin, he was brought to the Villamor Air Base. So what do you make of this situation?
Yes, well, actually, tama ka. We don't know if it's an arrest or the term is he was taken. Yun naman siyempre ang importante ngayon. He was taken to, allegedly, to Camp Villamor. No? So, strange yun lang kasi why Villamor? No? Anong nando doon? Unless there is an intention to send him off out of the country through air, no?
Okay.
So we don't know that, but that's something na palaisipan. Bakit Villamor at hindi any of the detention facilities like Camp Crame or kung saan man siya pwedeng i-detain, no? In any case, pagpatupad yan ng isang, kung arrest yan through the ICC, then it is but merely an implementation of a long process na nasimulan na a long time ago. Kami were counsel to the families of the victims of HJK in 2018. Marami na file yung kaso. And we have been asking the ICC to resolve it. And of course, we have been asking also for the issuance of a warrant of arrest. So in that sense, kung arrest man yun according to the ICC, it's but part of the process.
Okay.
Na matagal nang hinihingi ng mga pamilya ng biktima.
Okay, but sir, isn't this already an arrest? In a sense that, I mean, how can you be detained? Paano ka ma-detain sa isang lugar, isang facility katulad ng Villamor Air Base kung wala man lang arrest order or commitment order? Is there a difference?
Yes. Well, that looks like it. Na it looks like an arrest. Kasi I don't think naman sasama siya kung hindi ito arrest. Kung invitation lang naman ito to go somewhere, I don't think he will agree to that. So medyo ganun na nga ang ngayon, yung ibig sabihin ng circumstances na to, that this is an arrest. But of course, it's a legal term. Arrest is a legal term.
Yeah.
So the fact is he was taken. No? So but it does looks like an arrest kasi I don't think nga sasama siya. So it's really very confusing pa ngayon ng konti. Pero kung arrest nga naman yon, that is part of the powers of the ICC, and it seems that the Marcos administration has already acceded to the request of the ICC.
You think so? Do you think so?
Well, if it is an arrest, then that is an accession. I mean, why would the Philippine government arrest him if it is an arrest? Because we don't know of any legal warrant issued by a local court, no? Unless may warrant din na issue ang local court na hindi natin alam. But if it is an arrest and the arrest came from the ICC, then that is an implementation of the warrant of arrest, and only the President of the Republic can authorize the execution of a warrant of arrest. So,
and aside from the ICC case, meron pa ba kayong nalalamang ibang kaso na posibleng kaugnay nitong it's hard to use the term arrest, no? Commitment kay dating Pangulong Rodrigo Duterte.
Well, of course there has been a complaint filed against him sa DOJ, no? For inciting to sedition. We don't know kung na-resolve na yan ng DOJ if there's a resolution and information has been filed sa local courts. In that case kasi, if that is true, then kung na-file yun at hindi natin alam, maybe it can come from the local court. Nagtaka lang ako, bakit siya sa Villamor?
Yeah.
Or what is the essence of Villamor Air Base yun? So,
and the only possible explanation is yun nga, malapit nga sa mga paliparan at posibleng dito siya kinumit para mas madali siyang ilabas ng bansa. Ganun po ba?
Correct. Okay. If that is the case of Villamor, kung doon nga talaga siya dadalhin, and that's what the reports are saying now, doon nga talaga siya dadalhin.